I thought today I would do my everyday makeup. It is embarrassingly easy. I don't use many products. It's super simple, and I think something that would suit a lot of people. So I will do that for you today. So to start off, I use my La Roche-Posay. It's their new foundation. If you follow me, you know that I have spoken about this and I absolutely love it. It has an SPF 25, so perfect for every day. That's that. And I just apply that with my fingers, so no brush is needed for this. And just blend it in all over. This foundation is a heavier coverage and it's great for sensitive skin. For my concealer, I'm going to use a Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage. My colour is number 3. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. It is the Brow Wiz, but I have also been using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and I really love it. In Australia, it's kind of a little bit difficult to find these. Usually you got to get them online, but Benefit, I would definitely recommend that one too. It's a great one and it stays for a long time. So first I just brush my brows up and then fill them in. Everyone has a good and bad brow. This one is my fuller brow and it kind of sits great. This is not my great brow. So I spend a lot more time on the other one. Not a lot, but more time than this one, just filling it in. And the other. So next it's cheeks. I have been using this forever and I still use it. It is MAC Spring Sheen. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my cheeks. Kind of gives you a really nice healthy glow, a bit of colour and a bit of glow. So it's beautiful, really nice. And it suits most skin tones. I have to say I use this on quite a few people. Now every day I use a very neutral eyeshadow, not so much shimmer, actually I use matte colours. So I just like it to be quite bare and natural. So I'm going to use today my Tom Ford Cocoa Mirage, and I tend to go more for this colour again, which is really soft. You hardly even see it, just contours the eye a little bit, and I will add a little bit of the darker one just in the corner. So I'll start off with this one, and this one I do more all over, so from the bottom all over, and I blend it up. This eyeshadow to put on literally will take me a minute. It's so super simple. Just make sure you blend it all out. I have to say I really love the Tom Ford eyeshadows. They are stupid expensive, very expensive, but you do get quite a bit of product, and the quality is amazing, like really beautiful. It's so soft and buttery and easy to blend. So if you like eyeshadow and you want to spend that little bit extra, I would highly recommend the Tom Ford eyeshadow, especially this palette. This is a Cocoa Mirage. Very neutral and goes with many skin tones. So really good one to have. So I'm going to take that same colour, so that light one there, pop some on the brush. This is just a MAC 217. And I'm also going to take it under the eye. So just very gently, as close to the lash line as possible. just under there. Not too much product, but you do want to kind of define that area. So that's enough of that colour. I'm going to go for the darker one now. Very, very little, and just the corners. So just blend that out into the crease line and just blend it. Not much. Just religiously use. It's the best mascara for me. So I haven't got that with me today. I would say definitely use that one. But I do have this trusted Maybelline Grey Lash. So I will use that instead. It's kind of like my spare one. So just pop that on. I am possibly the most hopeless person putting mascara on myself. There is never ever a time I don't end up with mascara under my eyes or on top. So I'm going to have to clean that. I'm just going to pop a little bit of micellar water. This one's La Roche-Posay, and clean up all that mascara. Now, because this is my everyday makeup that I literally do every single morning, I'm not going to lie, I don't wear lipstick and I don't wear a lip gloss. I just wear a lip balm, so I am going to put a lip balm on. Nice and simple. And that is it. That is my everyday makeup. It is super, super simple. I promise you everyone can do this. And it really, really would suit most people. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.